Welcome to our first lesson of Natural Fluency Level 1. In this lesson, there will be a short story that you have to listen to 2 times every day, and a vocabulary lesson. Every day you have to listen to this 2 times, and then the short story with answers and questions. This short story with answers and questions is the heart of our lessons. You have to listen to these stories 5 times a day. And of course, you have to answer the questions. I'll ask the questions and you have to give answers. You don't need to give long, big answers. Short is better. 1 word, 2 words, or 3 words are perfect. But you have to give these answers quickly and practice giving quick answers. If you feel difficulties to understand me, then you can read the transcript while listening. After understanding the lesson, you have to listen to these lessons without the transcript, just listening and answering the questions. You have to listen to one set of lessons for 1 week or 2 as you need. Just one set of lessons for 1 or 2 weeks or more. Remember this. And while listening, there will be a big smile on your face. And you'll feel happy while listening these lessons. And repetition is the key to success. So let's get started. The first is a short story. Funky the Monkey. At the zoo, there was a monkey named Funky. One day, Funky the monkey and other animals decided to play a prank on the zookeeper. They switched places while he wasn't looking. The lion ended up in the bird cage. The penguin was in the monkey enclosure, and the giraffe squeezed into the aquarium. When the zookeeper returned, he couldn't believe his eyes. It took hours to sort out the chaos, but everyone had a good laugh. Next is vocabulary. First word is prank. Prank is a playful trick or practical joke intended to amuse or surprise someone. Example is, the children played a prank on their teacher by hiding all the chalk in the classroom. Second example is, Sarah decided to pull a prank on her friend by placing a fake spider in her desk drawer. Next word is zookeeper. A zookeeper is a person responsible for the care and management of animals in a zoo. Switch places. Switch places mean exchange or interchange positions or locations. The twins decided to switch places during the school play to confuse the audience. The siblings switched places at the restaurant to play a prank on their parents. Next word is bird cage. A cage or enclosure designed to keep birds confined. Next word is penguin. Penguin is a flightless bird native to the southern hemisphere, known for its black and white feathers and its ability to swim. Monkey enclosure, an area or space specifically designed to house monkeys in a zoo or wildlife park. Next word is giraffe. Giraffe is a tall, long-necked mammal with a distinctive pattern of brown spots on its coat, native to Africa. Aquarium, a transparent tank or container filled with water used for keeping aquatic plants or animals. Chaos, a state of complete disorder or confusion. Sort out, to organize or fix something. The example is it took some time to sort out the tangled wires behind the TV. The librarian helped me sort out the books in alphabetical order on the shelves. Next word is end up. To eventually be in a particular situation. The example is I wanted to go to the beach, but we ended up staying at home due to the rainy weather. Next example is Tom didn't study for the exam, so he ended up getting a low grade. Next word is squeeze. Squeeze. Press something tightly or fit into a small space. The example is she had to squeeze the tube to get the last bit of toothpaste out. The next example is the bus was crowded and I had to squeeze myself into a small space to find a seat. So, go to the mini story with answers and questions. Yeah!